song 209 Joy.
Okay.
This is by Coco. So this is going to be easy peasy too, so you can bring that in too. So let's start off. It's going to be a cross out. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're going to do a hood walk. It goes like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And on the 7, it's a 7, 8. You step back and 8. Okay? So from the top. So you're going to cross out. Start with your right. Right, cross, left, cross, right, cross, left. Hood walk is a right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And on the 7, 8, going to be step back at 7 and 8 is out. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to do it cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Hood walk, hood walk, hood walk, hood walk. Step back and tap on the second. Ooh, beginners. I tricked you, didn't I? Tricked you. The first one is out. When you do the next one, that cross out, you go step back and tap. Okay? We're going to do that twice on the first 2 rotations. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Hood walk, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hood walk, hood walk, hood walk. Step back and tap. Good? Second part. That's the first part. Second part, you're going to shuffle to the right. Step back on your left. Shuffle to the left, forward to right, left. Y'all did good. I seen you. I seen you. Do it again. We're going to do all 4 walls. Shuffle to the right. Step back on your left. Shuffle to the left, forward, turn right, left. Shuffle to the right. Step back on your left. Shuffle to the left with the right, left. Shuffle to the right, step back on your left. Shuffle to the left, right, left. Guess what?
Yeah.
Ended it.
Oh.
Y'all was sweating peas and everything else. I seen you. But anyway, on the first part, we're going to do it 2 times. Step back and out, step back and tap on the first rotation. The second rotation, we're going to do that same part 1. We're going to do it 4 times. On the 3rd and 4th rotation. What I mean by that, we're going to do this here, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, hood walk, hood walk, hood walk, step back and out. Do it again, 1, 2, 3. You're going to do it 4 times. 3 times with the step out, and then the tap one's the 4th. Okay? And then on the last 5th rotation, we're going to do that shuffle to the right, right, left. When we come back to the front, we're going to do this 2 times for this. And the dance is going to end and tap. Watch. I'm going to tell you how to do it. It's real easy peasy. But this is a song I'm dedicating to my husband. Because I enjoy when I think about him all the time. I lost my husband 2 years ago. And I've been with him 42 years. I ain't trying to tell y'all how old I am. Don't be trying to calculate it. You know what I'm saying? For 42 years, when he passed, it'll be 44 this year. This past year. So God is good. That's why I get joy. That's why I pick this song here, and I get joy every day. So I could be out of my mind and lost my mind, but I'm still here. All right? So we're going to do this here. This is by Coco. So we're going to start off.